Hello everyone, this is Josh here at Ed Martin Toyota, your truck specialist. And today I'd like to highlight one of our for sale Tundras that we did a little bit of modifications to. All right, what we have here is our 2024 iForce Max Tundra. It's a limited Nightshade edition. All right, first off, I'd like to start with the grille. We went ahead and added the TRD Pro grille here. You can see with the Heritage Toyota logo. We also added a 20-inch white light bar. This is made from Rigid Industries. All right, next up we have the TRD lift kit. This adds about a 3-inch lift to the vehicle. We went ahead and are running 33s. This is the Nitto Ridge Grappler. It's a 295 55 by 20. And inside with the lift, we have new upper control arms. CD axles are also lengthened, brake lines. It's a very intricate lift. All right, and then to top everything else off, we went ahead and added the Predator running boards. All right, and one of the additions we made to the interior of the vehicle, we added a second wireless charging port. All right, guys, if you like this video, please hit the like, link, and subscribe. This vehicle is also for sale. There's a link below if you'd like more information on that.